Are you always fighting with your child about screen time? You are not alone. Many parents feel tired, guilty, and honestly a bit confused about how much screen time is okay. Screens are everywhere now. Phones, tablets, television, video games, YouTube. Sometimes it feels like screens control our children, not us. You may notice your child gets angry when you say time's up, has trouble sleeping, or does not want to study or play outside. And maybe you ask yourself, am I being too strict or too soft? Here is the good news. You do not need to be a perfect parent. You just need clear rules, good examples, and kind but firm limits. In this video, I will share 3 simple steps to help your child have healthier screen time, without shouting and daily fights. Step 1. Create family screen rules. Instead of arguing every day, sit with your child and say, let's make some screen rules together. Keep the rules simple, for example, no screens during meals, no screens 1 hour before bedtime, and homework and chores first, then screen time. Write the rules on paper. Put it on the fridge or the wall. When the rules are written, it feels less like a punishment, and more like a family plan. Step 2. Use a timer and a calm voice. Before your child starts screen time, you can say, you have 30 minutes. When the timer rings, screens are done. Then, just set a timer. The timer becomes the bad guy, not you. When the time is over, try to stay calm and say, time is up. I know it's hard to stop, but we agreed on this. If your child cries or gets angry, don't shout. Instead, you can say, I see you're upset. It's okay to feel sad. But screen time is finished now. Over time, your child learns that screen time has a clear start and a clear end. Step 3. Don't just say no screen. Offer something better to do. Children often use screens because they are bored. So, help them find other fun things, like drawing or coloring, playing with toys or building blocks, reading simple books, helping in the kitchen, or playing a quick game with you. You can say, screen time is over. Do you want to draw, play a card game, or go outside? When you give choices, your child feels more in control, and honestly, a lot less frustrated. Children copy what they see. If we are always on our phones, they will want to do the same. Try small changes like putting your phone away during meals or having a no-phone time in the evening. Spend 10 to 15 minutes of full attention with your child every day. Even short moments of real connection can make a big difference. To help your child have healthy screen time, make simple family screen rules together. Use a timer and keep a calm voice. Offer fun alternatives, not just no. And be a role model with your own screen use. You don't have to fight screens alone. Small changes every day can build healthy habits for life. If this video helped you, share it with another parent who is struggling with screen time. And tell us in the comments, what is the hardest part of screen time in your home?